Look at the decay here on the fuselage. The structural integrity is severely compromised.
My scanner confirms a high degree of metal fatigue under the webs.
Footings.
The structural integrity here is compromised. Look at the rust on the main spar.
The corrosion is deeper than the scan suggested.
Watch the tail, it's coming down. All right, pull harder on this side. We need the shears over here now.
The rust penetration here is significant. We've got structural failure on the lower panels.
Confirmed. The infestation damage goes deep.
Control to all teams, we have liftoff. Maintain steady ascent.
Roger that, Control. Cable's holding steady at 10,000.
Looking good on the starboard side.
Steady now. Bring her down another 3 meters, nice and slow. Watch the tension on line 4. All right, team, final check on the brackets. Cranes, take the tension slowly. We are going live in 3.
Bring it down 20 centimeters, steady now.
Alignment is good on the forward cradle. We are secure.
All right, team, slow and steady. Watch the clearance on the right side. It's tight up here.
The colossal Titan Spider Hunter, navigating the treacherous mountain pass. A monumental effort to bring this relic home for restoration. The corrosion on the starboard side is worse than expected.
We need to prioritize stabilization before the lift.
Okay, easy on the descent. We're aligned with the forward stands.
Roger that, bringing her down.
Watch for falling debris on the lower fuselage.
Use the overhead crane to shift the blowers to section 4. Yeah. Roger that. Waiting for clearance.
The pitch links are completely seized. We can't rotate the blades yet. All right, let's get the diagnostic imaging on the gearbox first.
The scanner's showing severe fatigue right here by the panel joint. Confirmed. The rust penetration is deeper than we thought.
Easy now, watch the insulation on the way out. Make sure the weight is balanced.
It's balanced. I've updated the manifest on the tablet.
Look at the corrosion on this bracket. We need to replace the entire assembly. Agreed. Let's try the lift assist from this angle.
All right, clear the hub. We are ready for the lift. Tension is increasing. Blade is separating. Looking good up top. Keep it steady.
According to the diagnostic data, these joints need immediate replacement.
Confirmed. I'll update the inventory.
And what about the engine components?
Alignment looks good on the forward truss. How are the load-bearing connections? We've secured the reinforcement plates, engineer. Everything is within tolerance. Check the laser alignment on section 4. Looks good, holding steady. Welding complete on this bracket.
The laser scan shows significant wear on the bearing housing, and the Borsk microfraction the structural joint.
Look at the stress concentration here. The fatigue line extends past the bulkhead. Scanning now. The thinning is significant. We need to red tag this section for replacement.
The alignment on this mounting point is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The scan data matches the blueprint specifications.
Ensure the alignment is within tolerance point 005. Confirmed. Clearance is good.
Look at that shine. Perfect. It's perfect. Let's get this installed.
We need that starboard mounting bracket inspected immediately.
Roger that. Cranes are ready for the lift.
These specs match the schematics. Good.
The mounting assembly tolerances are precise. The scanning device shows 0 anomalies on the leading edge.
Confirmed. Log that in the manifest. The tolerances on this fuselage skin are perfect. Confirm the part number against the manifest, engineer. We're clear to move the cowling section to Zone 4. Check the dimensional accuracy on the fairing here. Looks good. The tolerances match the specs on the tablet. All right, let's secure the next panel. Reading surface consistency at 98.2%, log that under section gamma. Copy that, moving to the starboard rotor fairing now.
We've secured the main trim panel and the protective covers are fully aligned.
The scanner confirms integrity and system compatibility looks nominal. Check the torque on the adjustment systems.
Reading green across the board, linkage is solid. The sealing integrity looks flawless. Agreed. The dimensional accuracy is spot on.
Go ahead and bring up the tactical display. Rolling diagnostics now, looking good.
Okay, lower sequence initiated, port side clearance at nominal.
Confirmed, 2 centimeters down. Green on all mounts.
The diagram specifies Module 7B. Confirmed.
Running the diagnostic check now.
All systems nominal. Avionics response time is excellent. Confirmed. Power plant stable at low RPM.
Check the torque settings on flange 7B.
Torque to specification, alignment is holding steady.
Data shows green across the load-bearing brackets. We are clear for the next section. The primer consistency looks flawless on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Curing parameters are stable across all zones.
Check the contour transition on the starboard side.
Looks good, but this spot needs a quick localized spray.
The uniformity of the military green coating is flawless. Document the specular reflection data.
Running the analysis now. It's curing perfectly.
As the polishing continues on the forward fuselage, the military green finish develops an extraordinary depth, reflecting the facility with mirror-like precision.
Rotor RPM increasing smoothly. Maintain throttle setting at 50%.
Acknowledged, lead. All parameters stable.
Power looks good, bring her up another 10 feet.
Roger that, coming up to 50.